Hey everyone, welcome back to Milton Black Graphics. If you're looking for a free, powerful, and versatile CAD software that can handle both 2D drafting and 3D modeling, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into FreeCAD, an open source CAD tool that's perfect for hobbyists, students, and even professionals. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install FreeCAD, introduce you to its interface, and highlight some of its amazing features. Let's get started. FreeCAD is an open source parametric 3DC AD software that allows you to create precise 2D drawings and complex 3D models. It's designed for product design, mechanical engineering, and architecture, but it's flexible enough to be used in many other fields. Unlike proprietary software, FreeCAD is completely free to use, and because it's open source, developers around the world contribute to making it better every day. One of the best things about FreeCAD is that it's highly customizable. You can extend its functionality using plugins and scripts, which makes it incredibly powerful for advanced users. Let's start by downloading FreeCAD. Head over to the official website at https www.freecad.org. On the homepage, click the download button. From there, select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, simply follow the installation instructions for your platform. That's it. After installation, launch FreeCAD and you'll see its main interface. Let's take a quick tour. When you first open FreeCAD, you'll notice a clean and organized workspace. At the top, you have the menu bar, where you can access tools like File, Edit, View, and more. The toolbar below contains shortcuts for common commands, such as creating new objects, saving files, and switching workbenches. 1. Workbenches. FreeCAD uses different workbenches for specific tasks. For example, the Part Design workbench is great for creating 3D parts, while the Draft workbench is ideal for 2D drawings. 2. 3D viewport. This is where your models will appear. You can rotate, zoom, and pan using your mouse or keyboard shortcuts. 3. Property panel, which shows details about the selected object and allows you to modify its parameters. The modular nature of FreeCAD means you can switch between workbenches depending on what you're working on. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. We'll explore these workbenches in future videos. Now let's talk about some of the key features that make FreeCAD stand out. Parametric modeling. FreeCAD allows you to create models based on parameters, meaning you can easily change dimensions later without starting from scratch. Perfect for iterative design processes. Multidisciplinary capabilities. Whether you're designing buildings, machines, or custom 3D printed objects, FreeCAD has the tools to help you. Supports multiple workflows through its various workbenches. Extensibility, A2, Plus, Curves, CFDOF are all examples of add-ons in FreeCAD. FreeCAD supports Python scripting, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks or add new functionalities. A wide range of plugins and macros are available online to enhance your workflow. Export options. FreeCAD supports exporting to popular formats like STEP, STL, and DXF, making it easy to share your designs with others or send them to manufacturing. Community support, HTTPS, forum.freecad.org, HTTPS, www.reddit.com/freecad, HTTPS, wiki, FreeCAD, org, STD, FreeCAD forum. FreeCAD has an active community of users and developers who contribute tutorials, plugins, and support. The official documentation and forums are excellent resources for learning and troubleshooting. As you can see, FreeCAD is packed with features that cater to both beginners and advanced users. And since it's open source, you never have to worry about licensing fees or restrictions. That wraps up our introduction to FreeCAD. I hope this gave you a good overview of what the software can do and how to get started. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into specific workbenches, workflows, and projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on engineering drawing and graphics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.